Let us see about water purifiers. Unpacking steps of water purifier. Carefully place the unpacking water purifier on the plain surface. Cut the packaging strips fixed on the packing box with help of knife. Open the water purifier packing box. Do not forget to wear gloves in the entire process. Take out all the accessories from the packing box. We give higher priority to health and safety. Items in the box. Check the items in the box when and as it opened. Water purifier of desired company, three-way connector, SS valve, food grade pipe, which is in the color of white and blue, 3 meters each, solenoid switch, instruction manual, and drilling sticker, etc. Now let us see the step-by-step installation of water purifier. Step 1. Remove the thermocol packing from the purifier. Remove the polythene cover from the water purifier. Open the magnetic locks or front cover from the water purifier. For setting up the water connection, whether it is pre-installed, then there is no extra plumbing work. If not, we have to set up the water pipe where it is required and place the three-way connector in it by using Teflon tape. We use Teflon tape to ensure no leakage of water. Tools required for installation of water purifier: knife, electrical drill, seal tape, file, hammer, pincher, monkey wrench, scissors. And also we need accessory for the installation of water purifier. Those are housing wrench, feed water tube, tank ball valve, three-way connector, pipe fittings, pipe plug, water pipe, screws, etc. These are some of the tools we require for installation of water purifier. Step 2. For the installation of water purifier. Keep all the plumbing accessory ready before turning off the water pipeline so that it gets interrupted for minimum time. Turn off the main water supply line. Rotate clockwise to turn off. Right tighty, left loosey. Always install the water purifier on the normal water supply and not on hot water supply. Take out the tap from water supply line carefully by using a pipe wrench. Connect the three-way connector to the tap with an external thread. Use Teflon tape to cover in order to make no leakage. It should be in clockwise direction only, otherwise it gets loosened when tightening on tap. Now insert the tap in the hex end of the way connector and tighten it using pipe wrench. The SS ball valve, use a Teflon tape again on it to create a leak-free joint. Now insert SS ball valve in the 1/4 port of the way connector. Take the white pipe of broaden its mouth by inserting a screw driver in it. Remove the hexanet present on the SS ball valve. Insert the hexanet from the non-boarded end and push the white pipe boarded end onto the SS ball valve. SS ball valve lever is perpendicular. It is in off. Parallel to the body, it remains on. Step 3 for the installation of water purifier. Check the plane surface to install water purifier. By using drilling sticker, we can drill the holes on the plane surface. Do the holes using 8 mm drill bit. Now insert both self-taping screws in the holes using a screwdriver. Do not use hammer. Cut the tie wires holding the sediment filter and activate carbon block, RO membrane, hosing and UV chamber in place. Remove the dead plugs from the rejected water outlet by pressing the locks of pipe. In the same way, remove the dead plug from the raw water inlet by pressing the pipe lock. Step 4 for the installation of water purifier. Fix one end of the blue pipe in the rejected water outlet of water purifier. Push the pipe and lock it to avoid leakages. Other end is drainer. Fix the other end of the white pipe which is not fixed to the SS valve to the raw water inlet. Insert the power plug into the 3-pin socket. The following diagram shows the electrical diagram of a water purifier. Place the front cover or magnetic locks or transparent covers. Turn on the water supply with the help of SS valve. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes for pre-soaking of filter and release the water into drain. Switch on the electric supply. UV lamp takes 3 seconds to glow to ensure that it is preheated. SV and pump will start working after 5 seconds of glowing of the lamp. Take out post-carbon outlet pipe and fix the leakages if any. Let the purifier operate till the storage tank gets filled. If the purifier shuts off automatically, it shows the float valve is working properly. Switch off the purifier. Drain the first few liters of water because they are not fit for drinking. Activated carbon filter. Activated carbon removes from the water most toxic organic compounds in water like pesticides and heavy metal organic compounds. Activated carbon also removes smells in water and makes cloudy water clear by removing causing compounds in the water. The activated carbon filter is shown in the figure. TDS. TDS means total dissolved solvents. Check the TDS level with the help of TDS meter of raw water supply. Check the TDS of water coming out from the post-activated carbon filter. TDS level. Check the difference between the raw water TDS and purified water TDS. The TDS 75 to 150 is acceptable for drinking. As per BIS standards, The TDS acceptable limit is 500 ppm. To decrease TDS level, rotate the TDS adjuster in anti-clockwise direction. To increase the TDS level, slightly adjust the knob in clockwise direction and lock the knob. There are different types of water purifiers which we use in our daily life. There are as follows: RO water purifier, UV water purifier, UF water purifier, and NF water purifier. We shall see in detail of each. RO water purifier. Reverse osmosis is a water purification technology that uses a semi-permeable membrane to remove ions, molecules, and larger particles from drinking water. The process is similar to other membrane technology application. For sweet water available areas, RO water purifier is not acceptable because it removes higher number of molecules from the water which are essential for our body. ROs are very good technology for the water purification process. UV water purifier. UV water purifier means ultraviolet water purifier. The ultraviolet water purification is the most effective method for disinfecting bacteria from the water. Ultraviolet UV rays penetrate harmful pathogens in your home's water and destroy illness-causing microorganisms by attacking their genetic code DNA. The device's maximal radiation intensity lies at 254 nm, which is the wavelength most efficient in inactivating bacteria. UF water purifier. UF water purifier means ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration is a type of membrane filtration in which hydrostatic pressure forces a liquid against a semi-permeable membrane. A semi-permeable membrane is a thin layer of material capable of separating substances when a driving force is applied across the membrane. It also has 5-micron sediment filter to remove physical impurities. Our range has 60 to 80 liters per hour. Purification capacity, and it provides pure, tasty and drinking water. NF water purifier. NF water purifier means nanofiltration. Nanofiltration is relative recent membrane filtration process used most often with low total dissolved solids water such as surface water and fresh groundwater with the purpose of softening. Polyvalent cat ion removal and removal of disinfection by product pre-assurance such as natural organic matters. Nanofiltration is a pressure-driven membrane process which, in terms of separation level, lies between ultrafiltration and reverse osmosis. Cheapest water purifiers in India. The cheapest water purifiers available in India are the Catres type water purifiers. These water purifiers are good for use with municipal or corporation supplied tap water. Common pore size for water filter cartridges range from 20 microns down to 1 micron. This chart shows the comparison between RO water purifier, UV water purifier and UF water purifier. RO water purifier requires electricity to work. UV water purifier requires electricity to work. UF water purifier no need of electricity to work. In RO water purifier blocks and removes all germs and viruses from purified water. In UV water purifier it kills all germs including viruses, but their bodies remain in the water. In UF water purifier blocks and removes all germs and virus from purified water. In RO water purifier, RO requires electricity to boost tap water pressure. In UV water purifier, UV can work with normal tap water pressure. In UF water purifier, UF will function with normal tap water pressure. In RO water purifier, it removes dissolved salts. UV water purifier cannot remove dissolved salts. UF water purifier cannot remove dissolved salts. In RO water purifier, it has pre-filtration to work with dirty water. In UV water purifier, water must be clear for UV to work. In UF water purifier, works with muddy, dirty, turbid water. This is the comparison chart of RO, UV and UF water purifiers. The common complaints which we face in water purifiers are filter replacement, UV radiation strength reducing, membrane replacement, common surface, AMC, chokes in filters, TDS levels, solenoid valve complaints. These are the major complaints which we face in water purifiers. Finally, we see the water flow diagram of a water purifier. This is the water flow diagram of water purifier. We discuss about other appliances in our next meet. Thank you for watching this section.